emotions overflow, falling into the Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. When you came over, my heart was on its way out. I wasn't sober, I was thinking out loud. I spoke of your bravery, your wit and audacity, of coming over and letting go of it all. Please move close to me. You love differently, so move close to me. Love me differently, differently. You lay beside me, you held my hand in the dark. Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot, it's almost like I can't stop, yeah, yeah. You never
どう
lose.
ぞ、はい、これもエビで。あ、すいません。追加ありがとうございます。どうぞ、はい、代わりにいただきます。はい、どうぞ、はい、ごゆっくり。
ウニとかいないの？ウニとかマグロとか。ホタテ交換、ホタテ。
はい、どうぞ。ありがとうございます。
ホタテでお願いします。
ホタテで。はい。はい、2人も食べれます。
はい。
はい、どうぞ。はい、じゃあ2枚ですね。はい。はい、どうぞ。
あ、同じく2枚で。あ、すいません。あ、サーモン。はい。はい。あ、どうぞ。ありがとうございます。本番ぐらいね。
ずいぶん何ヶ月ぶりだよね。飲まれないの？
あ、俺も本マグロ1枚入って。
赤身の方で。
はい。あ、マジですか。あ、あとじゃああれも本マグロの大トロ？あ、ちょっとか。はい。あ、ありがとうございます。あ、ご乗車ください。ありがとうございます。あ、ありがとうございます。あと1個買う。あと1個なんだけど。あと1個。あ、しじみの味噌汁1枚入ってる。本場のは大間さんだって。青森県でも大間さんはあまり食べれないって言ったおばちゃんが。
Shine so bright. I wish that I could close my eyes and drift into a comforting sleep as I lie here beneath my sheets, thinking about what could have been and all the moments that I've missed. One thing that I'm sure of is that you are the one, the only one for me. It's hard to sleep at night. I lie here waiting for the sunrise while I'm contemplating my life, and I still can't close my eyes, thinking about what could have been.
Wasn't I meant to lie in your arms here for a while? I'm alive and I take you in. I've been far